Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so it looks like we are starting the day off selling off. Yo, we're coming in Euro close right now. Yeah, it looks like we just crossed to the downside. All right, so it looks like there is more money to be had. Wait, hold up. We are actually close to a level, I think. So we'll take a look. I got something pointed at. We are Here, let me go back to a 4. All right, so we actually are back to an area of demand. So here, I'm going to take this. I'm going to slide this right here because there is supply right there. Or that is a demand zone, and there is liquidity there. So if we can get there, I'll actually still take a call. But the one I had from yesterday is kind of down. Mom, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. D-Scurve, top of the morning. Hey, shout out to the 7 people that signed on and decided to smash the like button. And then to the 2 who voted but didn't smash the like button, hey, come around. Oh, hold up. We got 3 that voted that didn't. Hey, come around. Hey, smash that like button. April, good morning. Simpsons, good morning. Fifth, if it was a drink. Wait, what? I have questions. All right. Good morning. Top of the morning, M-Sense. Always liking, never lurking. Hey, always appreciating. Appreciate you, D-Scurry. All right. So, yeah, looking interesting. Got this liquidity marked up here. Also, supply zone. Actually, hold up. I said that's liquidity. I'm not sure if this would be liquidity or if this. Here, let me go to the 1 hour real quick. This would be liquidity. Wait. I don't know. That would be if we pull back there. I'll work for that. But it is at this is a weak demand, but this is liquidity for sure right here. So if we pull back to that, I'll go in on some upside. But for now, chilling. AMD though, wow. Yeah, I was like, wow. I'm glad it pulled back because I think I got this 172 level as I might get back in right here. But now I'm like, hey, looking at it on the 4 hour, I'm like, oh, I should have stayed in the trade. This candle right here yesterday got me around this 173 when I took profits. But yo, that contract would have been up I think at least 300%. Yeah, or at least 200%. Marvin, top of the morning. Lost $4 on SoFi call. Now I'm up 7 in a SoFi put. Here, we can pull up SoFi. SoFi's moving. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. SoFi's moving around. Let's see. All right, so I had called this 25 area to be a resistance. Had you seen my video I posted last night? So it did go up there. It did kind of sell off from there. It does still look like the trend is up right now. Like looking at the 15 EMA, it's kind of at an area of support. So it can continue up. But yeah, we did get a sell off from that area because that was old resistance. We're currently above resistance for the morning. Pre-market resistance was this about 2350 area on the SoFi. So it's kind of depending on what it does here. If it comes back and retests and it holds, might be able to take it and try to ride it for more upside. And good morning. Steve lost 270 on the SPY. Yeah, I saw. So I saw a market open. I saw SPY. I was like, oh, this looks like it's up. And then I just came back and I'm like, oh, That thing is down, but yeah, it looks like a lot is down right now. Like even Boeing was doing all right this morning, but I saw they had their call and now they're down, which is kind of good because they're still above the trend line. And I think like if it wants to come back to this trend line, there might be an opportunity there. Another one that's kind of interesting to me is UNH. So I said that they announced their earnings. Yeah. So all right. So yeah, they announced their earnings. They're coming back to pull back, and I think they are setting up for a good opportunity to the upside, which is good because I wanted to see them pull back kind of into here. Oh, you said just broke even, down 50 cents. Hey, top of the morning, Uncle G. SoFi earnings netted me 58. Hey, good stuff. SPY is cooking my calls. Hey, it's doing that right now. Yeah, I came in. I didn't like do anything with my calls from yesterday, and I looked. I'm like, oh, them things gone. So I'm just, hey, it is what it is with right now with those. My life be like top of the morning. Good morning. I appreciate y'all smashing the like on the way in. The 17 of y'all that did. Levi, good morning. Yeah, my AMD call was 105 when I sold, and now what? Hey, it's all good. It's all good. There's good thing is like there's opportunity there. We still got 22 minutes on this AMD candle too. If this closes black, that's kind of like a little breather on this trend. All right, SoFi is unreal. Sold my call before earnings. 2 lesson learned. That's why sometimes you gotta, if you really want to be in on something, it's like sometimes you gotta get two contracts if you're gonna ride it. But honestly, I would say no regrets on SoFi. But I didn't play it at all. Made 200 on AMD. Hey, good stuff, Torrance. Good stuff. Oh, I'm gonna wait for the market to set something up here. All right, I'm gonna come back down to a lower time frame on the SPY. See, we're still falling. See, we're very oversold. I would like to see if we can. I would like to see us. Like, it'd be nice to see us sell down here. We are kind of in a, are we? I think we're in a demand zone, but I'd like to see us sell some more. Yeah, we're kind of in a demand zone. Want to see what happens here though. I'm gonna stay on the 15. Amazon is at a trend line too. Thinking, yeah. Let's see. Amazon. We'll swap out Boeing. Let's Amazon. Are you on the 5-hour D curve? Here, let's clear some of this out. Oh, I think I see the trend. Romero, hey, what's up? Top of the morning, man. All right. Man, that's crazy. We go back, man. We go back. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of see it. Wait, did I just delete an EMA? Yeah, I think I deleted the. Let me add my. What is it? 48 EMA. There we go. go. Anyone else flipping SRPT? No, what's up? Let's see. Let's see what's up with SRPT. Yeah, these curve. I see the potential. Definitely see the potential. It is at the trend line. I'm just where I am. I'm hesitant about it, but it could reward heavily. SRPT. Oh wait, hold up. No. Oh dang, we're 50-50 on the red versus green today, or 46-46. All right, so wait, SRPT puts. Okay. Oh yeah, they're pulling back. I wonder what kind of, did they have earnings or no? They're just pulling back. They didn't even have earnings yet. That's a pretty fat gap up. They'll probably come fill this gap, but oh, okay. Spy's trying to make his way to that liquidity. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna take that. Should it come to it? You said, do I have a support for IWM? I didn't put one, but I'm sure it has support. We can like look for it real quick. Wait, hold up. SPX paid out bit. Hey, glad to hear it, Brandon. Looks like support from here on IWM is going to be about 221. That's kind of the next level. It's also the bottom of this trend line or this trend area, or actually it looks like maybe there's some liquidity at 220, like 60 on IWM. No, bro, didn't know you were doing stock market live stream. Hey, trying my best, Ramiro. Yeah, gotta keep moving forward. Yeah. Nah, but I still remember it all like it was yesterday, man. Invincible YouTuber, S&P 5. So I'm looking like I'll probably look to get a call. Like if we come to this level, I feel like we won't be here long. So I'm thinking that 633.50, that might be like some money. But yeah, I got my eyes on a call. I might be willing to throw a little more at it. What's today? Today's Tuesday. I might be willing to get a contract for tomorrow. Let me check my day trades. I have a day trade, but I don't want to use it, so I would rather like spread something. So I'd probably get something for tomorrow if I get it. We'll see if the SPY can get there. All right. For context, XRPT play is risky, but it's farmer play. Recent bad news. Dang. Okay. SoFi. Yeah, SoFi, as of right now, they have pulled back to retest level. Retest of this morning's like resistance. So I guess we'll kind of just want to see that they hold here. And if they hold here, they can continue the trend. They can shoot for all-time highs if they want. I'm not saying it all has to be today. Just because I say it today doesn't mean it would be today, but they can. Also, they can just shoot for this high they made today too. FDA then paused the use, but recent good news and the reason for pop-up is FDA lifted the pause. Okay, so I did see that they, when I was looking, it did say that they can now start, what does it say? It says it'll resume the shipments. Green wave, top of the morning. Hey, glad to hear you making money on the SPY puts. I hope you can make a little bit more. I hope the SPY comes down a little bit more. It's like, honestly, this is a good level, but this isn't like just like a 100%, 100%. Honestly, it is a really good level. It's like I might kick myself for not getting in right now. Let me see. This. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, what are we looking like on the 5? Yeah, we'll see. 635.76 would be a new high. So a close above that would also be like, hey, we can go higher. What is going on, Dump? Let me see if there's an actual reason behind this. I've had my phone on like do not disturb all morning. All right, Novo Nordisk full year guidance or cuts their guidance. AMD climbs nearly 4% after. Okay, they got a price target upgrade. Okay. SoFi. Okay, shares down. UNH business is facing challenges. That's good. That's a good, great opportunity right there. Okay. Southern Magnolia, top of the morning. BBAI. Oh, are they? Are they? Here, let's see what in the BBAI is up. Okay. Okay. All right. Hey, this is getting more attractive. Getting more attractive. You know, I might just have to grab me a single share right now, just to get a closer look on it. All right. So yeah, let me BBAI. Oh, hold up. I gotta wait till the price passes 666 though. I'm not buying at that average. Got a September 9th call, or August. Wait, is that September? Yeah, September 5th call for SoFi. Bro, this big. Okay, there's 665. Oh, it went back up. George, good morning. All right, BBAI doesn't want me to get a share. All right, I see the SPY is on the 5 minutes. Like it's trying to turn around. It's like, do we go for it here? See if it can consolidate or if it just like has a strong turnaround. Looks like the volume's still pretty good, honestly. Oh yeah, that might be doing something. Okay. Oh, let me check one more thing too. Okay. All right, I grabbed a 636 call expiring tomorrow. I paid 203 per share. Yeah, add that to the watch list, and then Also, alert the family. So we're okay. Grab this one right here. Grabbed it for a little less, but that's the one we grabbed. There we go. All right. Let me alert the family real quick. And then yeah, I'll try to see what this can do on the 15. Try to slow things down. Just grabbed a, what was it, 636? SPY call expiring, was it July 30th? Paid. What is it? Like 104 per share? Or 204? 203. There we go. All right. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully we found a kind of a lower point for today. So we got in about right there. See if we can get some money. But yeah, we got looks like we got a little shift in market structure. Cause we got like we got a high, we got a low, and now we got a higher high. So that gives things room to turn around now. All right, to the 33 of you that has smashed the like button, very much so appreciate you. Very much so. And then to the rest of y'all just lurking, hey, you're appreciated too, but it'd be appreciated more if you came. Oh shoot! Somebody said, "Hey, I'm taking the like away." I'll see. Anella, hey, welcome. All right, we got hey, Q kind of pushing too. All right, we'll see if we can push up, do a little pushy push. What's going on with BULI? Stan, good morning. I mean, we can look at BULI. Oh, bull. Okay. Looks like just a pullback. It's like it was extra, like it got overbought. It's a pullback. It's as of right now, it's not anything out of the ordinary in my eyes. All right, here, let's go to a daily chart. It's still in an uptrend as of now. But yeah, it's pulling back. Honestly, I feel like it needs to pull back to at least like 13 or so. That might be another reload opportunity. Elegant boom. Good morning. On the cool, AMD trying to go for it again too. I might let me see. Oh, AMD AMD options are out of this world now. I'm gonna go for a 182.5 call on AMD. I just did that. It expires this week. I paid 226 for it. We'll see if that gets more steam. I'm in at like 178.44. Get a little alert if it goes up to that high. Hold on 1 second. Let me did I take a screenshot? Let me alert the family real quick. Just grabbed an AMD call expiring. Wait, what's that? August 1st? Paid $226 per share. All right. How does Meta look? So I can here first. I'm gonna try to tell you without looking. Then we can look at it. Meta just like actually they pulled back. Never mind. Oh, they're still looking fine. So yeah, there's this channel on Meta. They're still currently above the channel, and right now they're still poised to break up and break to the upside. In my opinion, they have earnings here tomorrow. So in my opinion, they look like they can like blast off if they want, but we'll just have to see. Natasha, good morning. Achu, what's up? What is up? Hey, no lurking. Hey, appreciate you turning. Yeah, we try our best not to lurk around here. Oh, let me add that AMD I just grabbed too. So I grabbed an AMD. What was it? This one right here. There we go. Wait, there we go. Yeah. Oh, I guess I can grab my 1 share of BBAI real quick. Hopeful for Tesla by the end of the week. Oh. Man, we can look at Tesla. I don't even know what Tesla's looking like today. So Tesla, I mean, they pulled back. I would say they still kind of got like an uptrend going though, depending on what time frame you're looking at. But yeah, I would say like short term, they maybe like this. Might be able to ride that. Just see how they do here. All right, so we just closed on our 4 hour. Let's see how AMD. Okay, so AMD pulled out another green candle. So hey, the trend lives on. Hey, top of the morning, Barbara. Turn up. Oh, you want me to turn up the volume? No, I'm kidding. But hey, yo, top of the morning. Yoko, good morning. I need to get in that Discord. I have a few other ones I need to unsubscribe from first. Hey, do what you gotta do, family. It'll be there. It's not going anywhere. At least not anytime soon. Oh, let me actually take that down. Same here. The trend is your friend. Very much so. Lurking, but what I had to do to stay out of El Salvador. Oh, did what I had to do to. Hey, appreciate you, Wubaka. Yo, man, how you feel about a 180 call with AMD for the first, or do you think? Oh, Tom, I guess you got here like just now, but I legit just grabbed one that's a little bit further out. So I would say the 180 is probably even better than the one I just grabbed. But the basis behind me doing that is like we're still stringing along these this move on AMD, which honestly I probably should have stayed in on. I wasn't I wasn't I don't, honestly I had stuff to do, so I didn't like stick around to see how this candle would close, but had I stuck around, I would still be in the trade right now. But yeah, as of right now, it's still like pointing upward. So I think that's the 180 is very doable personally. Hey, what's up, Lucky J? Yeah, happy Tuesday. Top of the Tuesday. Good afternoon, those of you over on the East Coast. And then, yo, good morning to everyone else. Yeah, Spy. Hey, it's trying to move its way up. It looks like it's trying to make its legs. If we go to a 15, it probably looks a little better. Looks like we're in the got a little turnaround in the works, so it's looking good for now. We'll have to see ultimately what ends up happening. Not fully out of the woods yet, but it's looking good. Looking to get a call for 640. Hey, it'd be nice if it could go to 640 today. I still got that one from yesterday that looks like it's not gonna do anything. Meta at a decent point. Oh, Amazon. Oh, it's still holding for now. Spy for the win. Hopefully. Trying to get a little pullback. We'll see if it like creates some sort of trend. We gotta just kind of sit here, be patient, let it do its thing. Looking at CVS reversal. I haven't looked at CVS since I don't know when. Honestly, I don't even know which direction the reversal you're looking at is. Are you looking at on the day, on the week? Like, what time frame of a reversal are you looking for? Because I can see, like on the day, it's like, oh, maybe it reverses to the downside, but like the on the higher time frames, it's like, oh, maybe it reverses to the upside. So could could have any kind of CVS reversal. Big Reg, top of the morning. Had a great start to the market. Hey, what'd you have? Some actually a lot of stuff were popping today. Also, update for MSense. It looks like SoFi did retest at that level, and as of right now, it looks like it might be on its way back up. Oh, so money, 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 money. Had SoFi. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, I got my shares. I saw my SoFi and my AMD. Hey, popping. Okay. Hey, Spy still trying. Um, see, my wife put her memory card in here. She wants me to do something with it. Let me do that real quick before I forget about it. Ooh. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I'm about to sell my SoFi shares. Something is saying, hold on though. Hey, it's probably your long term saying, yo, hold on. They might have more steam. Honestly, I had the thought of sell too, but then I'm like, gotta remind myself, I'm like, hey, why are we doing this? And then when I do that, it's like, oh, okay. That's why we're doing it, so we're not selling. AMD trying to pull back on me. Watch your old supply and demand zone video. Great explanation applied to the AMC or SMCI this morning. Just watching no money and it. Hey, good stuff. Hey, supply and demand. That's money on the cool. That long term mindset gets me into a lot of trouble with the options. Well, gotta be careful doing that with the options. The long term, I would say, is more for selling options. Like it's like say you get 100 shares or something. It's like you can sell options against it. But it's like with options, it's like oh you see the profit, take the profit. So it's kind of like that's a different kind of thing. But yeah, exactly. Gotta think future. Sold my SoFi this morning, couldn't resist. Hey, I mean, nothing wrong with taking profits. It's just like you look down the road, it's like, Because it's like, I remember I had about like 200 shares of Palantir. I took it from like $8 to like 22. And that was 200 shares. It's like, yo, I had over 100% profit on it. But it's like, if you look at it today, that $8 is currently $156. Is this different? But there was also like I needed the money, like I had to sell out. So there, I would have definitely held on to it if I didn't need to sell the money. But hey, it is what it is. So my SoFi, SMCI, are they doing something right now? Oh yeah, they kind of doing some stuff a little bit. Jamie, good morning. So I grabbed a SPY call, like a SPY 636. Um, I would like to take profit on it today, but we'll kind of see. It expires tomorrow though. Like if it gets nasty, I'll cut out of it today. But yeah, we'll see if it's a day trade. I agree, but then again, you never really know, huh? For wait, uh, I would say you kind of do a little bit whenever you I would say long term with stocks. Whenever it comes to like fundamental analysis, you know, and it's like if unless something fundamentally changes, SoFi will be a lot higher in the future. So that's why it's like okay, I'm gonna keep holding on to SoFi for now. Like if something completely changes, hey, we're done. Hey, no problem, Jamie. U.S. and China agreed to extend tariff truce. All right, is that negative or positive? That's not a. Oh, I see it. I got that too. Appreciate you, D's curve. But yeah, is that negative or positive? Because they were talking about a deal, but right now it's just a truce. So that's not quite a deal. Google is trying to gain some ground. Are they? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, go on, Google. Tariff extension, U.S. and China. Should be positive, not as good as a deal. I mean, yeah, just, hey, it's not negative. But also, it's low certainty. It's like we're trying to pull back a little bit. Are we gonna like make some sort of double bottom or something? I don't know what this wants to do. You said negative for the market. Interesting. I guess we'll see. Let's see what the VIX is doing. Let's see how it responded since that. Okay, so over the past like, oh, I guess over the past like 20 minutes or so, the VIX has been moving on up. Yeah, we'll watch the VIX and see kind of how that continues to develop. All right, so I know you briefly talked about this week. Do you think SoFi has more? I think it could. Here, we can do some more analysis on it now that it's kind of done its thing. So it's like what I talked about was if it goes up, I said it would have resistance at this level. It came and hit this level. So now, here let's zoom out and look on the weekly. I mean, it's still showing strength. I guess next level is going to be this I guess 2585 from what I'm seeing at the moment. But yeah, I think it still can. And maybe 28, like at this all time high. That to me, that might be a good time to like take quick profits, and then like if you're gonna buy back in. Oh no, I'm not trying to do that. I haven't been holding it a year. Oh, I don't know. Like if you wanted to like sell some and whatnot, you could do that. But yeah, I think SoFi can continue to move higher though. Like once again, the big thing I would be looking for is like for it to break this trend line, but it's still like moving up. Hit the like button, family. Hey, oh, oh, family. Hey, hit the like button. That sounds like a great idea. All right, we got the VIX kind of pulling back on the 5 minutes. That's alright. It's cool. Hmm. Yeah, Google trying to do some things. Yeah, Google moving up when most of the things we're looking at are moving down. Yeah, actually, this morning we kind of had. I don't know if we can. Here, let's see if we can draw this a little. See if we can like pull back to that. Cause low key we're still we're kind of looking like yesterday a little bit. Yesterday we ended up, or yeah, yesterday we ended up like selling off, consolidating, and then we just like kind of ripped right at the end of the day, or ripped in the close. Um, Celestica going crazy. What's the ticker? 30 lurkers lurking. Let's avoid Alcatraz. Oh yeah, let's smash that like button. Yo, I see. I think we got it in us today. Let's be free. Be free. All right. Macy's. So Macy's appears to be pulling back. Oh, their contracts they're not cheap. I feel like they're not normally like that, but Meta prepping for earnings tomorrow. Hey, honestly, I think that may be the case. Oh, I gotta move something over here for me too. Hold up. Okay, AMD still trying to hold up a little bit. Trying. Tesla TSLL thought 322 doesn't really do much for me. It's like it looks like it hit the trend line and it looks like it can go up, but it being above 322 doesn't necessarily do anything for me. But it holding the trend line is fine. Like it looks like it can go up. Oh, volume seems like it's kind of dying right now a little bit. What do you think about APLD? So I think it's approaching like some buy levels. Like it's probably gonna fall some more just because it's below this trend line, and it does not look like it wanted to sweep liquidity. So, it is probably at least on its way to 9. But I think I take a little interest at $8 or so. Just got 2 IW input. Salty, I missed it earlier. Oh no. Let me see. No, yeah, so I had seen like earlier, like we drew the support and resistance this morning. It looks like everything just like straight up just broke support. And it is kind of is what it is, but yeah, IWM looks like it broke, and yeah, they're almost $2 below theirs. So yeah, there was some money to be had, but what can you do? All right, let me get back in here. I think we got a potential double bottom on the SPY, the Qs, and the IWM. Yeah, they actually all look the same right now. Hey, family! I see y'all. Trying to close the lurker to liker ratio. I just increased. Got 21 lurkers in the mix. At least. Hey, out of curiosity, for those of you that have kids, how many weeks until school starts? I understand that It's also different for different states. But it's also my understanding that it's soon. Kids are honestly, mine probably will be too. Yeah. Yeah, it's like I think back to some of the things that I was exposed to in school. Arizona already start. They have year-round modified. Interesting. 2 weeks. That's what I was thinking. Like, I feel like that's what it is for a lot of the Texas areas I've seen. And about 3 or 4 weeks, depending on DFW. And honestly, I'm just trying to see if there's like an ideal week to like see if I can like maybe finesse like some kind of like fun outing and not have like 1,000 people there too. Uh, okay, California starts near the end of August. Okay, Arizona has fall break 2 weeks, winter break 5 weeks, 5 week winter break. I remember that one being pretty long, but I felt like for school it was like 2 weeks. I don't know. In a 2 week spring, that's a long spring break too. It was like 2 weeks or a week for me growing up. Mississippi already started. Dang. All right, so we got volume's a little bit lower right now. Not too much swaying things at the moment. No upside on SPY today. Maybe. I'll have to see like kind of how it does here. Because on the 5, we got a change in market structure. So I want to see if we can continue to kind of push it because market structure wise, we got a high, we got a lower low, we got a higher high. Looks like we're still kind of working to put in our low right now. So I'm trying to see where this ends up going. SPY will pump in the power hour. Hey, we'll see. Yeah, they did yesterday. Like over here, I had drawn this towards the end of the day yesterday. I was like, oh, or maybe it looked more like this. Maybe. I had something like this drawn. And then like it crossed over it. And then yeah, you got like a break and retest and then that thing just shot up. I had added a 0 DTE to the watch list. I think it was around like 230 or something, but only thing was it's like you couldn't actually buy the contracts at that point on the brokerage anymore. So I added it to the watch list and it ran up 80% like real fast, but there was I mean, it's not anything that I would be able to trade anyway. Since SPY earnings come out Thursday morning, do you think it would be at SPY has earnings? I don't see anything about earnings. Are you wait. Are you talking about something else outside of SPY? So wait here, 1 second. Y'all do it ever be surreal that like that we are traders and investors? I feel like we cross into a whole nother. Hey, that honestly, Tom, that's something to think about. Honestly, it's not necessarily anything I really thought about as a child, but like it's like now it's like I casually do something that people I don't know you know people talk about a certain way. It's like oh yeah, it's like every day. It's like oh it's this, but also like hey there's a lot of loss involved too. There's a lot of loss. There's some winning, but it's like there's loss too. I'm like oh, but no I kind of have that thought. I'm like wow. And you said which hour is power hour? So power hour, um, I'll say most of the time you hear about it is referring to the last hour of the trading day, but the first hour of the trading day can also be considered power hour as well. But I would say most of the time you hear power hour, it's going to be referring to the last hour of the trading day. So depending on what time zone you're in, depends on the time, but last trading hour of the market open. So I didn't grab a BBAI call. I grabbed a share of BBAI. I think I got in. Let me see. I got in at 670 something because I didn't want to buy at 666. Let me see. All right, so I got in at 673, but I just bought one share just so I can like see it a little better when it does things. I Google Spy unless I may be wrong. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I know the Spy does pay a dividend, and like usually like when you see the Spy pay a dividend, like right now it's at 635. If we look at the Spy here, let's see. Where is it at? I usually see it's dividend yield 1.13. I don't know exactly how much that is, but let's say Spy paid a $1 dividend. Uh, this price that is now 635. After it pays out that dividend, it would be 634.50 now because the price has been reduced by that dividend amount. What's Spy doing? Oh, right now it's consolidating. I'm trying to see if it's going to put in like a higher low or if it's going to. I'm trying to see what it's doing. It's kind of pulling back, but right now it's still like in the same range, so don't know yet. Hi Matthew, what hours do you do the stream? So I stream from 10:30 Central to 1 p.m. Central. I'm gonna let y'all know not tomorrow, but next Wednesday. I'm probably gonna be busy though, so I probably won't have the stream that day. But like I'll be like gone like all day. But that is when I stream. Yo, 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 it's time to hit the like button. Hey, yo, yeah, make sure hey, smash that like button. How to buy a share on Robinhood, any stock. Um, so once again, like I got a video, like a whole playlist, but I think that the end of the very first video, it shows you how to do that. I'm not gonna like do it directly right here, but I can pull up the video. Like I got it all
p.m. Eastern.
Got it all right there. Oh, here, I'll drop that link in the chat. That's the link to that'll take you to this video. And right here, if you skip ahead to like 44 minutes in, how to buy a stock, 45 minutes, how to sell a stock. So, yeah, click on that link. You'll get your answer. I'm not going to do it right here, but it's out there. It's all on my channel, bro. Did we give up on SPY already? I didn't. Trying to see what the SPY is going to do. Busy bee. Did you check out? Yeah, we looked at Macy's. It's not anything I would take advantage of. It's like it's not my kind of setup, but I see it like falling. Yeah, had some selling pressure to it. It was like chilling at an EMA, so like kind of right there where it was. It's like I wouldn't know whether to try to find a reversal or to try to continue riding down. It's like I needed like a supplier demand, because to me it's like I would want to try to get that reversal. The markets are really holding back, and that's what it looks like. It's annoying that it does that though. And it's like there are some things I just want to hold, but it's like I'm also like nervous to hold. So, do you know when SPY will have earnings or where? So I don't know about, or where can I check is reliable. So I had a video. I think I put a video not yesterday, but on maybe Sunday. Let's see. Alright, so on my channel, this video right here, this big earnings week ahead, what should you watch for? I think I start by showing you like where you can find out everything about earnings, like where you can find out like the dates and stuff, the earnings calendars and stuff. I showed you like 2 resources, so if you check out this video on my channel, I think I show you how to, there's a page on Instagram as well as how to find it on Moomoo. So there he is. All right, let's see. Smash the like. Hey, very welcome, Levi. Bread guy, good morning. All right, so we're pulling back. Let's see what happens here. All right, are we gonna go and make a new low and die, or are we going to? I still had this on my chart as an entry too, but I might have to. If we kind of lose this, I might have to change things up. Engulfing candles, does it matter the color if the previous candle is red and the new candle is engulfed? Does that, if the previous candle is red, engulfed in what way? I think it's gonna matter what the candle that is larger is doing. Here, let's pull up a little chart. So when I say it's going to matter what the candle that's larger, what it's doing that's larger, is bullish engulfing. If the whatever color is swallowing the other color, that's where you would expect it to go. right. Where's my mouse at? All right, still trying to see if we're putting in a higher low here. All right, right now it looks like we're holding up for now. I got in. I will send you results. Up or downside? Okay. Any suggestions on good dividend stocks? So I'm not like I'm not like at a point where I'm like too crazy on dividend stocks. I'll say the ones I have that I like. I have Estee Lauder and I have Nike, and I'm not going to say they're like I wouldn't call them heavy dividend stocks, but they are like they do have like a lot of growth ahead of them, and kind of as things improve with like China and whatnot, they can stand to go up a lot more. So if we look at the chart on, oh wait, hold on, let's move it to a different spot. If we like come out to a weekly chart and here, let's see where we at. Can we? Oop! What did I just do? I'm not seeing any of them. All right, so Nike, for instance, Nike got beat down. Nike right now is still at like its 2019 low. But Nike also pays a dividend. And I do believe Nike will, like in the future, come back to its all-time highs. And it's like throughout all this time, it's still been paying a dividend, still will pay a dividend. And I think it has a good amount of growth ahead to it. So it's like, I like it. I like that it does pay out a dividend, but it's kind of like what I would call a divvy growth. So I like Nike. I think my average cost on Nike is like I'm in a Nike with an average cost of like 56. Like I still think it's like decent, but that's one for me. Like I'm not too crazy with dividends. And then another one, we got Estee Lauder. I think this is starting to look amazing. Like it pays a dividend, but like just for the sake of like just growth. Like it's like I can see this getting back to at least 200. My average cost on Estee Lauder is it's like $70. I'm up like 30% on it, but it pays a dividend as well. And this is a weekly chart. It is breaking the trend line, and it's looking like it's getting ready to do something. So those are my kind of dividend stocks. That's all I got right now. Where we at? Lucky J, let's see. Booted up. Good afternoon. That's what I thought. 20 seconds too late. Any hope on APLD? It's possible. They would need to reverse first. APL just broke a trend, or APLD just broke a trend line to the downside. So I would expect them to go to 9 before they went to 12. Personally, but that's like, I mean, hope's not lost. All it takes is a catalyst. I'm out of my recovery calls. The ES keeps going down. The market makers win. I'm gonna be real. The market makers, they like win most days unless you're able to like finesse like some kind of short squeeze. Yo, they win. It's honestly the main way to win is being able to trade with them. All stocks in the portfolio are red except for Google. Let me check mine. Let me see. Apple's down. So I'm up on Adobe. I'm up on AMD, SoFi, and then everything else is down. Let me check my other ones. Hold up. All right, SPY looks like, okay, so we got like a higher low on SPY. So let's see if we can make a higher high. SPY's not dead yet. Volume is low though. I will say that. So if it keeps this up, may have to get on out of there. All stocks in the, dividend stocks. The best are QYLD, XYLD, 12 to 13%, and they pay monthly. RYLD as well. PBR pays an 18%. It's a good stock. And Goldman Sachs as well. Oh, there you go. There you go, Ramiro. They're getting checked right now. GSBD Goldman Sachs pays. Okay. Bro, the index is right after. Hey, Darren. Hey, every now and then somebody has to sacrifice a trade for the good of the people. I think you are that someone today. Your sacrifice will not be forgotten. I'm a dividend freak. I get about 1,000. Hey, that's solid. That's solid. That's like I feel the same way about like I guess semi-passive income sources. It's like I try to stack up like sources of passive income, like similar to YouTube. How the videos being up over time, they can earn forever pretty much. I try to like stack up stuff like that, and over time it just builds up, even though it can be seasonal. Hey, y'all see what he said? He said, do your due diligence. They are really popular dividend stocks. But yeah, hey, that due diligence, hey, make sure to do that. What do you think about Google moving forward this week? I don't know about the timeline. I feel like it's going to be dependent on the Fed tomorrow, and also other earnings. I would say if things don't go bad with the Fed, yeah, Google will probably go up higher. Like I feel like Google should be higher, but it's like you never know what's going to be said. Sometimes it's like they like to throw curveballs on occasion, so it's like you just got to be ready. I've been in and out of SPY ever since the move down. I want to be in the SPY for the move up. Oh, shoot, 16 more likes. Oh, I see 14 more. Hey. Yeah. Try not to look, but I'm looking. All right. Oh, wow, that's that butterfly is so graceful. Wow. Wow. Nature. Beautiful. Okay. I didn't even know butterflies flew this high. Oh shoot, okay. Oh shoot, there's a dragonfly messing with it. No, it's flying at a dragonfly. Are they friends? Are they homies? Okay. I did real. I'm assuming real estate, dividend stocks. I have NOY, TWO, IVR. They pay 14, but they usually go down in value, but the dividend makes up for it. But again, real estate is not. Hey, so that could be a good pickup at the moment if you're like long term, because it will pick up again at some point. You know, it's like the tough people created from these hard times. They make good times, and when those good times roll, mm, mm, yeah, it was just like that, Lucky J. It was just like that. I don't know where they went. I was kind of enjoying them, watching them go, cause it's like I just see my monitor, and then like right above my monitor, it's like I see the sky is painted blue, and then it's like an occasional like white puff for a cloud. It's like a beautiful morning, honestly. I know if I step outside, it's gonna be scalding, but yeah, just like looking at the picture, it's nice. It's nice. I don't mess with REITs. I used to back in the day. Back in the day, I used to think, oh, I'm about to get rich off these, but I'm like, yo, my thing is I need more money. So it's like right now I'm in that phase where I'm like, yo, let me build up the income generation and whatnot. I was on Instagram, and I follow like Keenan Grace, and he posted. I'm not sure if it was on his story or if it was on. Let me see if I can pull it up. Let's see. It might have been on his story. Let me see. Oh no, he did a post, but he shared it on his story. All right, so I'm gonna slide that on out. All right, so this right here is like a little graphic. So it says annual salary by education level. I was like, oh, that's interesting. It says less than a high school diploma. And I was just thinking like, so I graduated with a 4-year degree. When I graduated, I was probably like right here. Like my first 2 jobs out of it. But then it's like I'm looking here, I'm like master's degree and then PhD. And it's like, honestly, I feel like I almost feel like this is off. I feel like, yo, it's almost like not enough. And I'm just like, dang. So I just found that to be interesting. All right, let's see. Sorry about the long comment, but dividends are like my top passive income. I don't know, Jorman, that's good. And then honestly, hey, I say this. It's like, yo, you pick a thing and you focus on it. And it's like you focus on that thing. It doesn't have to work for everyone, but it's like if you're focused and you're consistent with it, bro, you're going to succeed. Like $1,000 a month, that is solid, and then that's gonna end up kicking off more a month, and it's just like, yo, it's just gonna, like, the longer you go and you persist at anything, the more rewards that you will kind of reap for it. So I think I love that there is like almost like a level of passion with you talking about dividends. And it's like one day when I like when I'm getting money, it's like I might have to hit up Dormon and be like, yo, let me get on one. Let me like mirror your portfolio or something. I don't know. Or it's like, oh, but actually let me do my due diligence first. But let me get a picture of your portfolio. I don't know. Well, let's see. Big Body Mitch, what you need help with? What temp you got? It's 89 here. Here, let's see what is it right now. It's 92 here right now. The high is 98. 90. Oh no, it's 93 now. Let's see what it feels like. It feels like 96 right now. You said too volatile. Shouts to Keenan. Hey Keenan. No, that's my shout to Keenan, but I don't think you heard it. Yeah, masters and PhD can vary. Honestly, I would say they all can vary widely because it's like, oh, this is. I saw that chart and I had a conversation with my wife too, like, cause it's like I've shadowed some like doctors and stuff, and it's like, yo, doctors can make a fat chunk of money, but like when you like look at the hours they put in too, it's like, well, I guess on if you unless you're like if you're specialized, once again going back to focusing and being consistent on whatever, you're going to get paid more for your time. But it's like it's like doctors and whatnot. It's like yo, they work like a solid amount of time, like 12-hour days. Like the ones I've shadowed, it's like, yo, 12-hour days, like 6 days a week. It's like, yo, they're that's wild hours right there. And it's like, oh, it's like, well, I would say, yeah, it makes sense that you're making six figures because, bro, the when you look at the amount of time you're doing, it's insane. So it's like, honestly, I'm like, yo, people should be paid more. I don't know. It's wild. You guys have a great day. Hey, peace out, my life. Be like, hey, appreciate you stopping by. Dragonfly and butterfly friends sounds like a. Hey, if it happens, we know that we're here on the stream. Matthew, have you tried futures? So I have traded with the prop firm. I got a funded account. As soon as it got funded, I stopped trading like how I was trading, and it was like, I'm not sure if it was the first day or the second. I think it was the first day. I the account I guess I went past their like little limit, not dollar wise, but like percentage for the trade, which was very annoying. So not futures. I've done forex. Yeah, SPY is trying to run. I want to see how it does at this. I guess at this trend line, but it looks like it might be ready to do something, but also it could still get rejected. Yeah, thanks to those dividends and American Airlines miles, I got to travel all year in 20. You said and not working. Oh, that's nice right there. I have a dividend Roth account on Hood and only stack it with stable dividends. So I'm going for growth in mine. I have my Roth on Robinhood too. I had it with TD Ameritrade, but I closed that out. But yeah, I try to run stuff through it. Oh, hold up. Do I have a? Oh no, I don't yet. I think I'm about to get a new neighbor, y'all, right across the hall from me. I hope they're cool. All right. You think you're doing good until you see your boss's check, bro. Hey, one thing I can say now though is like all the bosses I've had like at the jobs that I've worked, like when I worked at Walmart, when I worked at Best Buy, when I work at Amazon, I'm for sure paid more than them now. Than I make more than them now. And not to like flex or anything, but I've always kind of like I was like close with my boss at Amazon. I still like talk to my boss from Amazon on occasion. Um, Aside from like the bonuses they get with the shares, because those share bonuses, especially at the prices they got them at, that's like if they're smart enough to hold them, yo, that'll kind of do them right. But they gotta put up with like so much for that. I think I don't know. I would say if you haven't read, I don't know, it might be off topic, but if you haven't read Rich Dad Poor Dad, yo, read it. Like for real, kind of changed my life. So it's like when I went to my jobs and like when I worked, it's like I was very observant of everything going on, and it's like I'm just focused on all the systems and stuff in play. And then like I always had the lens of like a stock market investor, so I was like, oh, I would always ask my boss like, oh, how's this going? How's this going? Like almost getting like almost like insider information. What was facts? I sent them over to you, bro. I think there is more downside. I used the OBR indicator. Oh yeah, let's see. I'll have to look at it. All right, let's see. I mean, looking at the candles, they were pretty strong. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Yeah, those. What time frame is this on? Oh, you're on the 1 hour chart, but yeah, it's like it's pretty. Those candles are pretty strong. So like if we ignore like the EMAs, yeah, it looked like it would have more selling off to do. Is that you right there? Are you doing the construction right there? Is that like a was that a live shot? Was that what's going on right in front of you? That's some real deal right there. Let's see. 72-hour shifts. Yeah, that's wild. Me too. Thought we was close by his check. Determined that was a lie. Love that, but hey, legit life changing. I'm not like too big a fan of Robert Kiyosaki, or I was at a point, but I'm not too big a fan of him personally now. But like when it comes to like that book, yo, it's like yo, Spy got a hey, yeah, Spy needs to get through this trend line, and then we can get off to the races if it wants to. I like that we kind of made a double bottom here. It looks like we might be off to the races on the cool. We're back above. We're above the 13 on the 5. We're above it on the 10. We're testing it on the 15. But yeah, we'll have to see what happens here. Let me come back down to a 5. Let's get it, Spy. Hey, I'm saying, Uncle G. You said that's what I be dealing with while trying to trade. You got some good noise cancellation, bro. Do you have Like, do you have like what is it? Noise cancellation and bro, some way to cool yourself down. I know Houston, bro. That's that heat, bro. Volume going up. Oh yeah, sure is. Hey, that's a good sign. Hey, good call out, Yoko. Yeah, we do have a little increase in volume. That's good. He has some pretty outdated ideas. Um, some of the ideas are outdated, but others conceptually still good. You know, still good. You said, "Oh no, you be in the car after you make your report." Okay, Houston is worse. Panama heat humidity wise, bro. Yeah, I spent a whole summer in Houston, bro. Bro, most of the days it was like 100% humidity. I'm like, oh, I was like, oh no, yeah, the humidity go crazy out there a lot of times. What's the humidity like out here right now? The humidity's here like pretty bad here in the mornings, but it's like 50% where I am. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. You sweat just looking out. Hey, for real. Nah, it's like the humidity. It's like so bad. Like it's like my sweat can't even escape. Like it's bad, bro. It's like the air is sweating on you, and it's like yeah. It's like that sweat's not leaving your body. We got you. 89 light. Oh shoot. Hey, 90 now. Shoot, we 10 away. Ooh, ooh. All right. I feel like it's weird how I kind of like throughout the stream. It's like usually when the stream starts, it's like now that we moved to this time, I'll have like oh, Apple big drop. Hold up. Let's see, where's Apple at? Oh, here. Ooh, that was a violence candle. Okay. Here, let me see if we got any headlines or anything. Not yet. Let's see if we got anything right here. Federal judge will decide on remedies for Google's search monopoly, which could impact Apple's revenue. Analysts predict a potential loss of 12.5. How is Google doing? That's a 15. Let's go to a 15 on Apple. Well, Apple's been falling most of the day. Let's still see what's up. Apple will report its fiscal Q3 results on Thursday with an expected revenue. Okay, Apple. JP Morgan Chase in talks to take over Apple's credit card program. Honestly, I would like that. I have I have an Apple card, and I mess with Chase in their reward system for credit cards. I like their credit cards on the cool. D Scurv, I'm in the D now and coming from Oregon. It's sticky now. When you say in the D, is that Dallas? Or is that like Detroit? You know, there's a lot of D's out here, you know. Pause. Apple loses another AI research. Oh, hey, Meta earnings about to go crazy. Apple's supposed to announce their new flip phone soon. I have not heard when. On the cool, I'm going to upgrade my iPhone this year. I'm going to finally do it. I'm still on the 13, but I'm going to do it. I just hope it doesn't cost too much. What's good, my brother? Jumped in that 636 call for. I got it too. No, the Detroit. Okay. Well, D Scurv where I grew up. It also means Dallas, so it's like, hey. But I do know a lot of times you hear the D. Yeah, it's Detroit. That's why I said, that's why I mentioned the other D. The other D being Detroit. Well, okay. I was like, oh, don't mean Dallas. The D is always Detroit. All right, y'all just hating now. Y'all just hating. All right. And if y'all hear anybody say the F, it's Frisco. Actually, I've never heard anybody say the F. So, let's see. Meta is scooping up new employees from Apple. Yeah, Meta is scooping up employees everywhere. It's scooping wherever it can. They are giving away new phones now. I mean, I think it's gonna. Oh, I want one of the new ones though. Like, I like the idea of like the camera on mine is solid. Like it's good. Like I want to be able to travel and just have my phone and still be able to be like, oh yeah, it's like I don't have this right now, but yo, wanted to do a quick live stream and like just chat with y'all just because I won't be able to reach y'all, but still wanted to like connect with y'all or something today. Um, I'm gonna be real. This DJI Osmo, oh, this thing is amazing. It's amazing. Like it's not intimidating. It's small. It's like pocket size, and kind of depending on your pockets. And it's not intimidating, but it's nice when it's like all one device. It's like there are different things for different situations. Uh, don't tell my wife that the D is always Detroit. Yeah, I know how it is, D Scurd. They like to hey when you say something they like to get big headed. Trying to get you to stay with that service provider. Oh, so me, I have Mobile, so I'm gonna have to buy it outright. So I'll probably end up getting mine from Apple, unless I switch. It's like I don't know. It's like if I were to somehow like hop on like some other people's, that'd be cool. I had T-Mobile for a little bit when I was working at Best Buy because yo, it was like extra cheap working at Best Buy. I think it was like 75% off. Like that mess was it was cool, but then I stopped working at Best Buy, so I went to Mint Mobile. What's your thoughts on that 636 call? You plan on pulling out today? So what's going on with that is I am currently seeing how we respond at this trend line. If we break it, then I'm gonna try to ride it. But if not, then I'm gonna cut it. Free phones, the new ones. Oh, they're the new ones. Okay. What's the big deal with flip phones? Just the style, or is there some other kind of? Uh, so it's gonna be the kind of the phones we have now, but also flip like folding technology. So you know how things are retro. It's like how style kind of cycles back in. That's kind of what's going on with that. But it is new tech because we've never had. I mean, there are phones like if you look at like some of the Samsungs or Motorola's, they'll have the flip phones where the screen folds and stuff too. But it is new like screen technology and whatnot. I think people would really like the feeling. Yeah, like if you never had a flip phone and you never got to like close your phone to hang up on somebody, bro, what are you doing? Or not what are you doing, but it's like, yo, there's like something satisfying about like, I remember when I had my like Motorola Razor, I could just flip it close. Flip it close. It's like something so satisfying about that. They're paying you to switch also. Wait, who is okay, I hear I see you keep saying that, Lucky J. Who's paying you to switch? I know T-Mobile, yeah, they do pay you to switch because whenever I switch for when I worked at Best Buy, I switched from AT&T because they were doing me dirty. Yeah, they like pay for your phone from the other one, so that ended up working out well. It's just money. So as of right now, I'm on a 5 minute, so no full confirmation yet, but it's looking like we're trying to get above this trend line, which would lead to us like starting to target this kind of 630, 730 area, and then maybe 638, then maybe 638.50, then maybe like almost 639. So we'll see what happens here. But yeah, it's he said they're fighting out here. Flips don't get hacked. I mean, if you have one of those flips, yeah. But they have new flip phones. They have like smart flip phones now too. I'm up on my AMD contract for the first. Hey, good stuff. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff, Tom. All right. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. The Samsung new Z Flip. They got good cameras. I'm not switching to Samsung, but they got good cameras. Bro, Samsung phones used to be what's up. I mean, I would say they still kind of are, but the user interface of the iPhones, just about to say that's like your CEO following $1 million deal. Yeah. That flip phone made you feel like a boss when you closed it to hang up. Hey, for real. Hey, tell him, Uncle G. Spot looking good. Possibly. Like it's looking good, but things could also. Hey, we're not out of the woods yet. Hey, don't forget that. They do like to play the games with us. Let's see what we're looking like on the 15. Yeah, on the 15 is. We still got like 11 minutes, so we could reverse right here. So keep that in mind. We need this candle to close, and we got two more. See what they do on the 5. And you didn't have to worry about a screen breaking after slamming it close. Hey. I mean, they still have some. They still sell those. Like if you really want one of those flip phones, they got you. Know that. They got some indestructible ones too. Some that you can like run over a truck in and it'll still be okay. Just dropped to give you an updated idea. That's it. You spy people, enjoy your profit. Hey, I hope. We'll see. Let's see if we can get it. It's like slamming the door. I would say slamming the door, it kind of hurts me a little bit though. Because it's like, when the door slams, it's kind of loud. It's like almost like the slamming, closing the phone, it's like a little bit more than a click. But a slam, it's like, oh, that was violent. But it's like closing the flip phone, it's like the perfect level of like violence and control. It's like, I don't know, there's some balance there. But it's like it feels like there's a lot more force behind a door being slammed. Also 500, Yeah, or 200. So I'm not going to turn on the SMA, but I'll turn on the EMA. Okay. I don't know where the SMA would be at. I would imagine it might be close to that, but SPY to 640 today. I would love it. I still have that contract from yesterday. If it wants to run to that, I will not be mad. D-Scurve, I want you to be right on that. Hey, yes, I want D-Scurve to be right on that. I want D-Scurve to be right all the time. And be clean. Where? Okay, let's see. You are absolutely correct about not jumping the gun on SPY. Oh yeah. I mean, yeah, I'm liking that we're above this 13 EMA though. That's looking good. We got higher highs and higher lows. That's looking good too. Right now we're doing a little consolidation though, so just gotta see what happens. And Darren, I can definitely overreact too. You are not alone. And the market makers are very good at slowing things down and after making it seem as if things are going to pick up. So that's part of their game. I think that's something we like to call theta play. Yeah, it's still riding this trend line to the downside a little bit, but it's still above the. Yeah, it's got to pick a direction. I'm working on not getting into plays based on emotion. I have to have a good setup. Hey, me too. It's like I do operate off good setups a lot of the time, but I still make those emotional decisions. So that's still something I struggle with too. But I'm slowly maturing. I'll get there. Oh, somebody messaged me saying, let's see. Have a question. What are the chances of SPY going to new all-time highs? I don't know how to. I don't know what the chances are. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to pull probabilities from that, but the SPY will for sure go to new all-time highs. But the question is when. And to be honest, I have no idea when that will happen. There we go. Yeah, people be thinking I got to have a crystal ball. All right, let's see. Alexa, play You Are Not Alone by MJ. Hey, sorry if I just activated any Alexas. Luckily, I don't have any here. I do have Fire TVs, but I don't have the ones with like voice control. The remotes are voice control, but the TVs aren't. So I'm good. But to those of you that have Alexa, apologies. Spy will spy, so they will go up. But like you said, when? But I know they will. Hey, no, for real. It's like, yo, it's gonna go up eventually. But it's like, yo, we could drop like a rock. And you know, we wouldn't even know. Spy technically should run after making a double bottom. Yeah, they should. That's kind of what I'm expecting here. But if we had ended up coming down here, I would have really put in. But I kind of got in over here, like, because it looked like, oh, I may miss out on something. All right, so we're still trying to, yeah, we're trying to, I mean, we're still making like higher highs and higher lows, but we're still having trouble. So the 200 EMA on the 15th. Oh, the 13 is like trying to cross below it. That's not necessarily the best sign. See if we can get it up. The indexes are still primarily bearish. I just thought they might go higher. SPY looks like it's gonna have a here, I mean, if you get up to like a 4 hour, I would say it's still bullish. So I think it just depends on what time frame you're looking at. They're like bear bullish, because honestly, if we look at the 4 hour and the 13 EMA, we're still kind of holding the 13 EMA for now. And we might just be kind of ranging. What's the recommended time frame for setting up a call? I have 15, 30, 1 hour, 4. So me personally, like, I will start off on the 4 hour, right? And it's like I'll take into account what range we are. So looking at the 4 hour, current range is going to be kind of within these levels. If I take that and extend it out, that's what it looks like. All right, so now while we're in that, as long as we got a wick over here, but that doesn't matter. We did kind of come below it on that wick. But as long as honestly, this would lead me to this will lead me to believe we're coming up, because this is a demand zone. It might be a slower move, but more than likely it's coming up on a cool. So I actually, like, looking at it like this, I do feel better now. But going to the 1 hour, I would go to 1 hour from this, and this is kind of where I find things for the day. So on the day, this is still the range, but on the 1 hour, the current range that we're operating in is actually going to be from this this high up here at 638.87 down to this low. This is the current range. And on the 1 hour, like, if you're trying to day trade and whatnot, we're actually considered bearish. And we're going to be, like, ideally, you are trading on a downtrend on like shorter trades. So like looking at this, seeing that the range is down here, I might kind of try to target, like, especially if we're getting past this low we just made over here. I would target this area first, but if we go over here, I'm targeting this, and then I'm probably getting out if we get to 633.55, because on the higher time frame or on the 4 hour, we're still bullish for now. I'm not really doing too much on the 30, but I'll skip over, go to the 15, and just kind of like look at kind of trends and stuff. I'll like go on 5 and 15 as well, just to kind of like watch how the trends are going. But I'll go 4 hour for the bigger thing. If we've been in the same 4 hour range for a couple days, I'll start my day out on the 1 hour to kind of chart things. But yeah, I still say it looks like we're making decent progress to the upside. I'd love to hear an actual market maker give an interview where they spill all the secrets anonymously, of course. That would be amazing. You might have to look and see if there's anything like that. No, this sounds about what I use for my. Hey, very, very welcome, Uncle G. Okay, I see y'all. Okay, y'all decided. Hey, put 95 likes on the board. I see y'all. Y'all trying to close out strong. Look at y'all go. Look at y'all go. Get them likes in. Yo, who'd have thunk a thought? Okay. I like to see the VIX, like it's not like moving like crazy, but it's like slowly come. Oh shoot, y'all got it up to 96. I see y'all. Well, y'all always be trying to come around at the end. Be going crazy with the likes at the end. I see y'all. Just like to come in, swoop in, save the day. Everybody trying to be Superman. So it takes a lot to. Oh shoot! Hey, y'all just throwing them in now. I saw 97 for half a second. Now it's at 98. Y'all going crazy. Yeah, it's like it's like a rocket ship right now. I need a more comfy. Oh shoot! Hey. Okay, I see y'all doing it now. Y'all. Oh, psh. It was just 100. Y'all blasted it to 103. Okay, the lurkers, bro. I'm not sure if y'all are lurkers or if y'all are just like, yo, we're gonna wait and we're gonna come through at the end, cause y'all just like blasted up. It's 104 now, bro. I was just going off about like what was it, 95? Y'all going crazy. Hit the like button on your way in. Everybody doing it on the way out. I guess it's better late than never. But Drake says never late is better. Lurkers be hitting that like button. Hey, for real. Yo, we done it. We're free. We done did it. Done did it. Done it. Yo, we're still having some trouble getting above this trend line. What's it gonna be? So one thing I will say, this is a 5-minute chart, but these wicks we're seeing, this is liquidity being built up. So we will get some kind of move. But it is on a 5-minute chart, so I'm not sure how crazy it'll be. But yo, we're trying. All right, SPY still holding the 13 EMA on the 5, but there appears to be the pressure from the sellers. Oh, hold up. Oh, hold on. My wife. Oh, hold up. My wife is gonna. Oh, my wife is telling me to pick a smoothie. Oh, we're coming down. Yeah, we're pulling back a little bit. Nothing too concerning. If we were looking at supply and demand, I will say on the 5 minute. Okay, it's a little annoying because that's in the way. But on the 5 minute, there is a 5 minute demand zone right here. So we'll look to that as a short term area where we could push up. I'm I'm going to hop on this opportunity for my wife to bring me back a smoothie. It might take the stream ending after to get that spy push to six. Hey, honestly, it sure might. Let me hey, hold on 1 second, y'all. I gotta see what kind of smoothies they got. Could really go for a smoothie right now. Mm. What is the website? I don't even know what this place is. Hey, we're trying though. We're trying. Yeah, we're very much taking our time. Hmm. Okay. I mean, it's not a concerning move. Right now, we're still got the higher highs, higher lows. Even if they pull back to that demand, still got the higher highs and higher lows. Interesting. Yo, they got a lot of smoothies. Okay, I think I know what I want. I'm a sender. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, there we go. Kind of has a girly name to it though. Hey, I'm gonna still get it though. Okay, so we pull back to that level. That's what it'll look like. So also there was some liquidity there. Looks like we might have a sweep of it going on. We'll see what happens here. But yeah, we got a reaction right there. We like pulled back. I had my head down for half a second. All right, we'll come down and see what's going on. See what happens with this candle. I'm on a 2 minute. We'll see what this is. We got 30 minutes left on this candle. All right. Where are we going to close at? I'm down on a 2 minute chart now on that low time frame. Uh, Tariff revenue can reduce U.S. deficit. Repeats. Possible China truce could be. What? We're kind of holding up for now on the 2 minute. Oh, I saw the AMD chart for a second. I thought it was SPY. I was like, oh wow, look at it go. Any plays today? I don't know about plays. I got in a contract for an AMD call, and I got in a contract for a SPY call. I don't know if they're plays though. Okay, we're trying to sell down. Might have to go back up to a 5. Volume definitely struggling on the SPY. Agreed. Very much so agreed. Okay. Hey, it looks like we might be losing it. Yeah, I might be doing it. Let me double check. Yeah, this could be it. Could be it right here. Got like 2.5 minutes left on this candle. We're still higher highs and higher lows, depending on where this candle closes. AMD looks like it's holding up for now though. SPY trying to be violent. I'm watching ES and it's going down, but maybe it's coming down. Almost has me watching for a double bottom now. Let me go back down to the 5. Trying to take us for a ride. How big of a move was that? So 35. That's like $1.40 move. Honestly, that was a solid entry for downside too. Not that it means much, but the 13. I would say that means some things. Downtrend. We are back in oversold territory again, though. I might continue to watch this even after this stream, as long as we hold over this. Like for a capacity of what is it? For a capacity of like wick wise. Like a wick can be over this, but candle closes as long as we hold over that. AMD still like they're holding okay though. No, I'm not in the put. But a put would have been a good move. Cause that was kind of a quick sell off there. And it definitely responded to that trend line. Oh, hold up. I forgot about something. Okay. Hopefully I can bring y'all some luck with the spy call I just took. Alright, hopefully. Here, let's see. The honestly the VIX is moving up. That's honestly kind of negative on the cool. I think there is likely some news somewhere. I just want to see what it is before I make any moves. Let me check Moomoo. When did this move start? So that might be around so Trump said something about India's trade deal is not finalized. That might be that's right around the time I see that headline. This candle right here was right when like we were at the trend line when Trump says the India trade deal is not finalized. So if we can get something on that, might send us back up. Hi, I'm looking at your charts. How did you get those lines to show across your screen? Was there a certain indicator? I have trading view. Which lines are you talking about? Like what color are they? Are you talking about like these? Like where I have this purple right here? Triple bottom on the 15. Looking like it. Hey, that'll be clean. Here, let me see. Here, once again, here, share the video real quick once again. I'm gonna and yo, looking at it. Let's see. Do I share how to do it in here? No, I don't think I necessarily do. I have a video where I do. I'm gonna try to find it for you. I got a video though. Let's see. I'll pull this off to the side real quick. I feel like I passed it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna post the video. This video gets in pretty early, or gets into pretty early how I put those lines up. Oh, you said straight lines. Okay, so that's the video I just sent the EMAs, but the straight lines, they're like I showed in that video, the first link I sent, it's like early on in the video. But it's just gonna be over here on the side. There's a horizontal line and a horizontal ray. Horizontal line is just a straight line both ways. And then a horizontal ray is just gonna be from wherever you click. is going to be all the way to the right indefinitely. Let's go, baby. All right, let's go up. Hoopla. He said, okay. Did you understand that, Sarah? He said, what are we learning? I would say the charts. We might be coming down. I'm in Meta and Bitcoin. Let's take another look at Meta. Yeah, I feel like this is an opportunity for Meta. Oh, AMD is still showing like, it's still in the green right now. So may have to cut the SPY, but AMD is looking. Yeah, we got the VIX rolling up though. That's not the best sign. If the ES breaks, it's gonna keep falling. Hey, we will see if it breaks. Yeah, I'm gonna need a trade deal to be made with India. Meta here. Let me look at Meta on a 4-hour. They're starting to look better for. Oh, they're almost back to their trend line on the cool. Let me add a little alert on their trend line. What's everyone's wait? So the horizontal tool drew the straight lines. Why did you draw the straight lines? I thought it was some type of indicator. Oh, okay. So these blue lines, once again, I draw support and resistance at market open. I might need to that might be what today's video is. Just to go over the orb strategy. That might be the video I make today. Cause I did say I was gonna do that. That's why I am that's why I'm doing that. It's a strategy for trading, Sarah. Usually to start the day out, I'll draw support and resistance at the kind of like the high and low for pre-market levels, and that's just kind of a visual for me of where they are. I'll usually click on these, I'll right click, I'll add an alert on them, and like whenever they pass, if I'm not watching the charts, I'll at least know. All right, so we got AMD still moving up. That's good. Meanwhile, the SPY is moving down. What's everyone's thoughts on Apple earnings? I don't know. It's kind of a mixed bag. I don't necessarily see anything significant in the short term that should happen, but depending on what their earnings call goes like, I was gonna say can do things. I think they have a good way they can move up and a good ways they can move down. They still wait here. Let's get rid of these. Right now, Apple, like it's like right in the middle. It can, yeah, it can move down or it can move up. So it's like for me, I would just wait until after their earnings, and like they can push up. There are still areas to the upside that have not been satisfied, but there are still areas to the downside that it can go to as well. All right, let's see. You can use the indicator called standard pivot, which draws support and resistance for you as well. Here, let's see. Standard pivot. Let's use it on this one. Is it pivot point standard? Like this? Maybe? Right, let me turn off the EMAs. Withdraw support and resistance, as well as fibs. Oh, it does. Okay, I see it. I feel like I would want that to be a different color. Okay. Definitely would need to play around with that, but wait. What are these? Yeah, I would need to like do more research on it, but or actually let's compare that to, or actually let's put that back and let's put this on like the SPY. Let's go to a 4 hour. I mean, this one down here is like kind of lined up. Let's go to like a 30. 15. Interesting. Thanks for sharing, Veronica. Appreciate that. Hey, AMD, hey, it's trying to do stuff. Thoughts on UNH Leap? So I still like, once again, I still think it looks good. Like I think I spoke about this on this morning's watch list. I think it looks good. It's getting like really good. I still think we can sweep that low, but I think it looks good. Like that's what I would say. I hear about that orb strategy everywhere. This is something that you so it's kind of what I do on here every day. Like looking out for like the potential like day trades kind of, or like at market open. That's what I was doing. It kind of like, since I started coming a little bit later, it's got kind of got messed with a little bit, but it works, and it's like simple to follow, so it's cool. Looking more positive on the SPY. Time tell bounced off that 535. Hey, we'll see what it does. I don't know. Let's what are we looking like on the 30? This just looks like a bunch of consolidation, but on the 15, I'm like, yeah, we'll have to see. What's your name on Instagram? I gotta start following you. I mean, it's not anything. It's not like anything. Like Like I don't really post anything crazy on Instagram. If I'm being real, it's like I want to post more, but that is my user. It's just Matthew Manual 1. It's the same thing as that it is on YouTube too. I think right now all I post for the most part is just you just see the story for my run. Do you guys think SPY will hit by August 4th? I would say there's a good chance, but I would say also, should we get negative news over the next day or two, I'd say that chance slips. But I would say, yeah, there's a good chance of that. I would say. All right, AMD's kind of moving. SPY's like down on the SPY. AMD up like 25. SPY down like 12. So up more on up more on AMD than we are down on the SPY. So hopefully that keeps up. And yeah, thank you. I just want you to know that I'm real. Oh yeah. Oh no, yeah. That's I never got the impression that I would say most of the time if somebody's a member, I wouldn't think you were fake, but I was like, if anything, that's so you know I'm real. Pfizer could hit major support by a chart to rebound back. Hey, that's why I'm still holding those calls. Those calls have like pulled back, but I'm still holding them. Before earnings next week, upside for a bounce back up to the upside. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, very welcome, Leandro. So you would know who I am when oh, cool. Hey. Good stuff. Appreciate you. All right, yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. I hope each and every one of y'all's trades kind of go y'all's ways today. I hope these things wake up like as soon as this stream ends, and I hope you all get a bag. But yeah, with that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Sarah. Peace out, John. Peace out, Veronica. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, D-Skirt. Peace out, Leandro. Peace out me. Who else? Peace out, Michael. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Jorman. Peace out, Marvin. Let's see. Do you know if market data for professional traders typically costs? Yeah, it costs more. Yeah, they charge more. I know for sure TradingView it costs more. Peace out, Pete. Peace out, Elegant Boom. Peace out, Kimura. Peace out, Alaska Drift King. All right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. Hey, be on the lookout for an orb video. If you're trying to, I'm gonna probably like brush up on it real quick. Make sure I don't have anything missed out. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Levi. But yeah, if you're looking for like something on orb, that's gonna be the video I put out today. So be on the lookout for it. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.